actually going to do like a surf and turf. We've got some roasted vegetables. We've got all kinds of things. So we're just going to kind of cook for you guys, and we'll chat, we'll talk about food, we'll talk about different cooking techniques and all kinds of stuff. So what we've got here, we've got some aged porterhouse steaks. Olive oil down here.
Don't lose the olive oil.
I'm not going to lose it. All right, we're good there, John?
Yeah.
So this is my absolute favorite way to cook steaks. So I think some of you may have heard me talking earlier that I finished my culinary education in the Basque country of Spain, which absolutely beautiful part of the country, very different from the rest of Spain. It's also one of the food capitals of the world, if not the food capital now. Hopefully we're going to get enough draw on this, John. If not, we might need to take some of these to the back here.
So what's been going on with this at the end of the night?
I think we've actually been in a
ventilation battle.
Ventilation battle, I guess, is the thing. With they had our ventilation going through the building, and somebody disconnected it. And so
they were getting hungry all the time.
And then it was being piped into somebody's office down below.
Not a good deal.
It became an issue.
We told them we'd feed them, just come on up.
Right, so we put the oil down first on the griddle, and then we put a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper down there. So we always use kosher salt. And that way we can sear our steaks directly on there.
So why do you put on the grill versus on the meat?
Well, one of the things that's, when you cook with olive oil, like if you want to cook steak seasoned with olive oil, you put it on the grill, the olive oil is going to drip down, it'll hit the flame at high heat, it'll smoke. It won't necessarily, it might cause some flames, but it will definitely smoke. And that smoke will cause your steak to get just a very, very funny flavor. And when living and cooking and working in Spain, best steaks I've ever had in my life. And I grilled, I grew up grilling, I grew up barbecuing, and I always did all kinds of stuff to my steak. Best steak I ever had was cooked in a little village out of Rioja. And all they do is, when you go, they don't have like different cuts of steak. Everything is a porterhouse. And they cook it with just olive oil, salt, and pepper. That's it.
That's one of famous spots. Which direction is famous spot?
Basque country, so Spain is like considered a big box, right? It's in the upper right-hand corner. So we could walk to France. We're right on the Atlantic Ocean, so it's kind of like an L right.
Is it north of Barcelona?
North of Barcelona. So San Sebastian is right here.
Got it.
Atlantic Ocean or Bay of Biscay. France. Portugal is down here. Barcelona, and then Madrid's right in the center of the country. And so we're right next to Bilbao, like a day trip would be go to the Guggenheim in Bilbao. The town of San Sebastian is known as, they call it the town where the stars fell upon. And they've got a beautiful Basque saying about it. And the reason why they say it's where the stars fell is that because there's more Michelin star restaurants there than anywhere else in the world. There's more Michelin star chefs per capita than anywhere else in the world. There's more chefs per capita than anywhere else in the world. And you can go to what they call a Quinchos, which is a small bar located in the old section, parts of the A house. And you can go to this old section, and there might be a bar that is no longer than 8 feet long, and no more than 3 feet wide, and you walk in and they just have food stacked up. And you go in there after siesta and you go in and you just take plates of food and you eat it, and you look at the barkeep and you just say, I had 3, I had 4, and those cervezas, he calls out, 10 euro. And 10 euro, then you go down 1 or 2 stops down, and there's another person doing the same thing. And what's interesting about it is these aren't just guys who are like a bartender or it's not pub grub. Some of it is a little basic. But a lot of these people are world-class chefs that travel all over the world. And they're running these small little restaurants because they can do whatever they want to.